very lovely morning to my little tiny tots. How are you all? Fine? Good? I'm also good, beta. This is your science class and I'm your science teacher. Dear kids, as we are dealing with chapter 10 Save Natural Resources and we are done with reading, exercise and question answers. So now what we will do today? Tell me. Right. Today we will do worksheet booklet. Yes, today we will do worksheet of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources in our worksheet booklet. So, are you curious and excited about the questions we will do today? So, come open your worksheet booklet, open your worksheet of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources and let's begin the class. This is our worksheet of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources. Now beta, first question is look at the picture given below and answer the following questions. See, it is a pictorial question. Why? Because one picture is given over here and related to this picture some questions are here which we need to answer. So yes beta, first question is name the kind of pollution shown in the picture. Yes beta, what kind of pollution, like smoke is coming from the vehicle, smoke is coming from the factories, from the chimneys. So which kind of pollution is shown in the picture? Tell me. Right, it is air pollution. So here we will write air pollution. Second question is beta, write an other source of this pollution, like by which activities or by which other source this pollution occur. We need to write down the other source of this pollution. So what it can be beta? Burning of fuels like coal, petrol, diesel, etc. So yes, we will write burning of fuels like coal, petrol, etc. Yes beta, when these fuels are burned, so air gets polluted. So this is another source of this pollution, which is air pollution. Now beta, third question is write one measure to save the resource for being polluted. Yes beta, now here we need to tell how we can save our air from being polluted. Yes beta, there are many ways we can reduce the usage of vehicles. We should use tall chimneys in industries, or the one most important and most effective measure is plant more and more trees to prevent air pollution. So we will write here plant more and more trees to prevent soil erosion. Now next is beta, name one other kind of pollution. Yes beta, as we are talking here about air pollution, so here it is asking one other kind of pollution. So you can write water pollution, noise pollution, whatever is your choice. So here we are writing water pollution. Now beta, next is moving air is called. Yes, what do we call moving air? Moving air is called water or wind?
Yes, it is called wind. Now beta, question number 2 is help Regha to name the fossil fuels that help in the following. Yes beta, here some fossil fuels are given to us. We need to help Regha that which fossil fuel she can use where correctly. So first is to fill in lamps. Yes beta. So the fuels are coal, kerosene, petrol and LPG. So which fuel we will use to fill in lamps? Right, it is kerosene. So here we will write kerosene. Now next is beta used for cooking. Which fuel we used for cooking? Yes, it is LPG. Now next is to run vehicles. Which fuel we use to run vehicles? Right, it is petrol. Now next is to run steam engine. Yes beta. Which fuel is being used to run steam engine? It is coal. Right. Now beta, third question is write 2 points of importance of water. It means we need to write 2 points here by which we can understand and will get to know about the importance of water. So yes, you all tell me why water is important for you. That means where you use water. Yes, so water is used to drink, bathe, wash, cook, clean and in so many works. So we will write here water is used to drink, bathe, wash, cook and clean. Now second is beta, it is used to irrigate the crops. As we have studied in the chapter also, water is used to irrigate the crops. And that's why it is very important, because if we will not irrigate the crops then they won't grow, and if crops won't grow then we won't be able to have our food. So yes, it is used to irrigate the crops. Now next is beta, next fourth question is define natural resources. Yes, what are natural resources? As we have discussed this question in our question answers also. So tell me. Right, the resources which we get from our nature are known as natural resources. So we will write here the resources which we get from the nature are known as natural resources. For example, air, water and sunlight. Right? The resources which we get from the nature are known as natural resources. For example, air, water and sunlight. Now beta, question 5 is unscramble the words to reveal the names. We need to unscramble the words to reveal the names. Now tell me first one. I know you all know this. This is wind. And yes, what is second? Right, it is water. Now question number 6 is beta, look at the picture given below and answer the following questions. Again it is a pictorial question. One picture is given here and we need to answer these questions as per observing this picture. So beta, what you can observe in this picture? Tell me. Yes, it is a picture of hydropower. So yes, the first question is, as per this picture, electricity is generated through. Yes beta, as per this picture, electricity is generated through soil or water. Right, it is water. Now next is, write one way to save this natural resource. Yes beta, how we can save this natural resource? How we can save, that means how we can save water. The natural resource about which we are talking here is water. So how we can save our water? We can save like we should close the taps when not in use. And beta, this can be different. We should close the tap when not in use. We should always repair our leak taps. We should not throw waste in the water bodies. So there are many ways which you can write. So this can be different also. Now third is, define water pollution. Yes beta, what is water pollution? As we know that pollution is the state when some harmful substances which are known as pollutants also added in a natural resource, then it is known as pollution. So the same it is for water pollution. The addition of harmful substances in water is known as water pollution. Right? And question number 4 is, nearly 75% of the land is covered with. Yes beta, nearly 75% means 3/4 of the land is covered with water or soil. Right, it is water, so we will take here. Now beta, what is, question number 5 is, define hydropower. What is hydropower? Yes, hydropower is the electricity produced by using energy of water. जब हम वाटर की एनर्जी को यूज़ करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, देन इट इज़ नोन एज हाइड्रो पावर. सो वी विल राइट हियर द electricity produced by using energy of water is known as hydropower. So yes beta, we have completed our worksheet. Now beta, let's move on to question number 7. Now question number 7 is, tick the correct answer. First is, cooking on a slow flame saves. Yes beta, cooking on a slow flame saves water or fuel. Yes, it saves fuel. So here we will write fuel. Now green plants take in dash during photosynthesis. What does green plant take in during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide or oxygen? Right, they take carbon dioxide. They take in carbon dioxide. So yes beta, we have completed worksheet of chapter 10.
Today we have done worksheet of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources in our worksheet booklet. So your homework is to complete the worksheet in your worksheet booklet, and please be safe at home. Please take a very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.